Kwayani, Janet Kohoko Nadijnakas, Pikwakanagan Nadojaba, Mas Nidodam. My name is Janet Kohoko and I'm with the Pikwakanagan Guardian Program. I also took place in the Pinesi Paddle 2025 from Deep River to Ottawa. We're on the shore of Golden Lake, and this is our 18-foot canoe that we built from scratch out of birch bark. We collected the bark, the root, the spruce gum, all from Algonquin Provincial Park Territory. One of the ribs that we soaked in the lake and then bent into shape. We used the draw knife to shave her down to the size and thickness that we needed. And we're hoping that it will join us in the 2026 paddle from Ottawa to Kahnawake. I think I would feel a great sense of pride and almost a feeling that it can't put into words, because it would have truly made a journey that none of us would have anticipated, that it actually is a floatable, usable canoe, and actually was paddled in the Ottawa River like it would have been years ago.